the future. Mr. Moloch created me, an artificial human codenamed Project G.e.E.K.E.R. I am known as G.e.e.K.E.R, and my synthetic body has almost unlimited power. Moloch plans to use me to conquer the world. But Lady Macbeth, a streetwise thief, stole me before I could receive the programming which would force me to be Moloch's fighting machine. Lady Macbeth was helped by a super intelligent dinosaur, Noah. That's me, G.e.E.K.E.R.
And that's me. It's too bad I can't control my powers better, because Mr. Moloch wants me back really bad. And without Lady Macbeth and Noah, I'd be a bucket of extra crispy.